Children, it is activity page 11 for day 9. That is the second method of finding the HCF. That is method 2, finding the HCF by division method. Already we discussed about the prime factorization method of finding the HCF. It is now about the HCF by division method. You take one example. Find the HCF of 4 and 42 by division method. 4 and 42 by division method. Here take the numbers 4 and 32. 4, 32. Now here out of 4 and 42, which one is smaller? 4 is smaller. So you divide 42 by 4. 42 by 4. So you divide here. You know that 4 ones are 4 and 0. Take down 2 and 2 is not divisible by 4. So here 2 is the remainder, and here you write 10 because 4 tens are 40. You can also write 40 also, or otherwise directly you can write, as 2 is divisible by 2 is not divisible by 4, 2 is smaller than 4, you can write 0, or otherwise you can write directly 4 tens are 40, 2 is the remainder. Here you got the remainder 2. Take that remainder and divide 4. You know that 2 twos are 4. You got 4 minus 4 is 0. So here lastly you divided this 4 by 2. So this 2 is the HCF. Therefore you can write HCF equals 2. HCF equals 2. One more example let us take. Here 4 and 16. Take that number 4 and 16. And out of 4 and 16, which one is smaller? You know that 4 is smaller. So you divide the 16 by 4. 4 4s are 16 and you got 0 here. Therefore, which is the HCF? 4 is the HCF. Lastly here the last step you divided this 4 by 2. So this is the HCF. Here suddenly you divided by 4 and you got the remainder 0. Therefore this is the HCF. Here when this number is divided by 2, you got 0. Therefore this is the HCF. Similarly, if you take one more example, you take 8 and 20. So you take 8 and 20. Which one is smaller here? Here you know that 8 is smaller. Then you can take 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. And what is the remainder here? 4. Then take this 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. You got 0 here. So what is the HCF? HCF is 4. Therefore you write HCF equals 4. That is the division method of finding the HCF. Next you take here, you find the HCF of 5 and 25 by division method, and also find the HCF of 6 and 20 by division method. Then find the HCF of 12 and 15 by division method. Find the HCF of 15 and 18 by division method. Children, take the help of these two examples and find the HCF of 5 and 25, find the HCF of 6 and 20, find the HCF of 12 and 15, and find the HCF of 15 and 18, that is by the division method.